Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
Here we have this brilliant Toyota Prius 1.8 VVT-h 8.8kWh Excel CVT. Now this vehicle has currently done 74,843 miles and it's finished in the colour pure white. Now it does come with 3 previous services. It's a very fuel efficient vehicle. It does sit very nicely on 15-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED headlights which light up the road nicely, giving you great visibility. Taking a look in the boot here, you do have 360 litres of boot space. There is also a compartment for your charging cable for the plug-in hybrid system. Take a look inside here to the rear, you've got your gorgeous black leather interior with contrasting white stitching. It's very easy to maintain and keep clean, you can wipe it very easily. There are ice fix points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle as well. Take a look here up front, you'll find your leather multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, and you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position. Starting on the dashboard here, you do have access for your controls for the heads-up display. It's a very nice touch to have. There is also the button for accessing your park assist feature, where the vehicle can park itself, making parking super straightforward. Here on the steering wheel, you have your multifunction controls for the infotainment system, as well as the trip display, as well as your radar cruise control and lane keeping system. In the centre of the dashboard here, you do have your touchscreen infotainment system, where you've got access to DAB, FM and AM radio, along with USB, Bluetooth connectivity and auxiliary input. You do also have access to your telephone menu here, where you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls. You do also have access to applications with MirrorLink. You can use USB and Wi-Fi for this. You do have navigation to ensure you're never lost, allow you to head to new places very easily. You do also have information here where you can see all of your trip information. You can also see your energy monitor for the hybrid system. You do also have some settings here for the system. You can access your connection settings as well as some other system settings. You do also have a reverse camera along with front and rear sensors. You do have your dual zone climate control here, along with buttons for defrosting the front and rear windscreen. You do have your electric modes, along with your driving modes of normal, eco and power mode to change the vehicle's performance and handling. Moving on from this, your automatic gear selector there. Down below this, you'll find your very handy wireless charger. You can put your compatible devices on there and it'll start charging automatically. You also have your heated front seats, 2 cup holders here as well.
Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.